Floodwaters are a toxic legacy with hidden dangers lurking. When the waters recede after a devastating flood or hurricane, a silent threat remains. The seemingly harmless mud and debris left behind hide a toxic cocktail that poses significant risks to human health and the environment. In this episode, I highlight this unseen danger known as secondary exposure, something I've personally experienced, and how it can persist long after the initial disaster has passed. Floodwaters are indiscriminate in what they collect and carry. As they surge through communities, they mix with raw sewage, industrial chemicals, and countless other pollutants. The destructive force of these waters also pulverizes solid hazardous materials, breaking them down into fine particles that become part of this toxic soup. As the land dries out, it may appear that the danger has passed. However, this is far from the truth. The contaminated surfaces left behind by floodwaters become a source of ongoing pollution. As they dry, these surfaces release toxic particles into the air, soil, and surrounding environment. This process can continue for extended periods, creating a long-term health hazard for residents and recovery workers alike. The risks associated with this secondary exposure are significant and varied. Inhaling or coming into contact with these toxic particles can lead to a range of health issues, from respiratory problems and skin irritations to more severe long-term effects. Children, the elderly, and those with pre-existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable to these hidden dangers. Addressing this issue requires a comprehensive approach to post-flood cleanup and restoration. Simply moving or disposing of contaminated debris without proper precautions can further spread the contamination. Instead, experts recommend implementing a lockdown procedure to manage surface contaminants before handling or relocating affected materials. For surfaces that will be reused, such as walls or other structural elements, thorough cleaning is essential. However, cleaning alone may not be sufficient. Any residual particulates should be locked in place to prevent future release. This is where innovative, eco-friendly solutions come into play. The right green coatings and encasement technologies offer a promising solution to this complex problem. These products are designed to seal in contaminants, preventing their release into the environment while also being safe for human contact. By choosing eco-friendly options, we can address the immediate health concerns while also considering the broader environmental impact. The use of the long-term green coatings in post-flood restoration aligns with the growing awareness of climate change and the need for sustainable practices. These products not only protect people and buildings from the immediate dangers of flood-related contamination, but also contribute to long-term environmental health. As we face the realities of a changing climate with predictions of more frequent and severe flooding events, the importance of such solutions cannot be overstated. By incorporating green technologies into our disaster response and recovery efforts, we can create a more resilient and sustainable approach to dealing with the aftermath of floods and hurricanes. The connection between flood contamination, eco-friendly restoration practices, and the broader climate crisis is clear. Each flood event serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our environment and the need for holistic solutions that protect both human health and the planet. As we move forward, it's crucial that we not only focus on immediate disaster response, but also on long-term strategies that address the hidden dangers left behind by floodwaters. By embracing the right green technologies and sustainable practices, we can turn the challenge of post-flood restoration into an opportunity for environmental stewardship. To sum it up, the toxic legacy of floodwaters presents a complex challenge that requires innovative solutions. By recognizing the hidden dangers and adopting eco-friendly approaches to containment and restoration, we can protect our communities, our buildings, and our planet. As we face an uncertain climate future, these green solutions offer a path forward that addresses immediate health concerns while contributing to the broader fight against climate change. You may like this quote from World Health Organization: "Climate change is impacting human lives and health in a variety of ways. It threatens the essential ingredients of good health, clean air, safe drinking water, nutritious food supply, and safe shelter, and has the potential to undermine decades of progress in global health." What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.